Alright, so we're going to do another one-day league here at the house. We're starting with a 3-point shootout.
Don't be nervous, Christian, you got it.
Alright, so we have 4 new players. We're gonna make them play so that the captains can pick the right, you know, like equal teams for later.
They're right here.
Alright, draft pick. Let's go. We're gonna go here because the kids are here. Oh my god. And I'm the one who only slept for 2 hours.
I want to show the pictures.
Dude,
every single one.
That's why we always skip him. It takes 30 minutes to pick.
Kinuha ni ano eh. Sa atin to sa ni Omar. Narinig eh. Nagka-tip no?
Ganda picking.
Jerome tsaka si...
Alright, whose team is here?
We have 5.
You guys know your team?
Wala.
5,000 right here.
Alright, Team Richie right here. Team Mike G. Wow, Team Mike G. Si Jay, saan ka? Nakita niyo na ba yung mga team?
Sa akin yan.
Okay, si Jay.
Si Sean.
Si Sean kay Richie.
Meron na kayong play niyan. May play na kayo niyan, bro.
Team Patrick. Yeah.
Kayo?
Jordan.
Ano nga muna sandali? Isang pindot lang ha. If ever.
Nakarecord ko yan.
Basta tututututo mo lang kahit hindi mo lang.
Raise your hand. Nice man.
Hirap pala matunog dito. Sige na.
Baba kayo. Kung mga 50 people, baba kayo. Kasi walang tao sa baba. Don't waste your effort because later on it's gonna be a long game. I'm telling you guys. All we have to do is win, but it's easy.
Nasaan?
Why?
There you go.
Malin! Let's go, Malin! Nice!
Makes a shot.
There you go! Let's go!
Close game.
Just like that, it's a 2-point lead by what? Timeout. Nice.
Grabe naman!
Wait, another shot. Pass it. I told you.
Let's go!
Mike, pass Bronson. Daylight. Boom.
Last 2 minutes, right?
Okay, 2 points. No time, no shot.
30 seconds pa. Start pad.
Alright, so Team Mike G won. Advancing.
My G won.
Alright, next is Team Omar and Patrick.
Yes, sir.
Sure na yan, ha?
Yeah.
Most guwapo player.
Dude, no defense. There you go. Back to
Nice pass. Let's go,
Okay, defending Mark. Christian. Our message
Nice pass.
nice Jay. Never mind.
Pangalan ka na, naging Ashley. Ayun, good na. So,
Down.
sino next dito? Kami ba? Hindi ka. Hands up. Sino kalaban? Open yun. Kaya?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There it is.
Uy!
Omar team win. One.
Patrick versus Omar.
Go down!
Let's go, Ian!
You guys are giving 2 easy shots.
Let's go, Christian!
Christian, turnovers. Good rebound, guys. Help out!
Let's go, Ian!
Drop it!
Let's go! Wow! Grabe naman! Ay, Sabi mo. Nice one, Chris. Mike G. Oh, Lido Kane. Let's go, Arik. 2 points. Let's go, Yan. Uy. 9. Let's go, Arik. Let's go, Red. Nice one. 2 points. Oh, 3 points.
Is it already cramping? Ang dami mo kasing threats eh.
Hindi, na-twist.
Oh shit.
When I landed, it twists. So I think it's still okay.
Matanggal yung score pag alaran, di ba?
Yeah, we have to deduct all his scores.
Deduct all his score.
All the points that he made. Surprise. 3 points all.
Situation to Alan. Alan looking at baseline. Hey, that's a knockout play. Yoko na. Ay, what a nice connection to the black team. Now.
Let's go, Christian.
Move by Christian.
Why you guys are stopping?
Let's go, Sen.
Ayan, ang Team Mike gonna advance 2-0 sila. So right now, sino magkalaban? Richie and Patrick.
Whoever loses this game is eliminated.
Okay, whoever loses, you can swim. Take a vacation.
Okay, Richie. 2 points. Oh, naman. 3 points.
Ayaw mo kasi kumain po.
Si Tat.
Marksman.
Si Tat.
Let's go!
Tira, Mapi! Ay, huli! Nice, kaya. Nauna kasi bagay.
Let's go!
Wingman!
Oh, grabe, Rans.
Nangangalabaw! Nangangalabaw! Ikaw lang maingay. Maingay ka rin.
Go si Tat. Go si Tat.
Hello to Richie. Saying goodbye.
Nice.
to the rest of
Si Tat.
Christopher using the Uy, what a nice. Hendrix.
Nice one. Nice pass, sweetheart.
The black team down to the court. Free throw. Is still made. The center
Let's go.
controlling the game on the black team.
Bogsa!
Carolina.
What?
To Carlos.
Nice.
And here comes now the white team. Harry.
Let's go. Ito ba naman 6 times a week mag-badminton?
8 times a week. Overtime.
What a nice.
Let's go, Rans.
Ay, black. Yeah. Jerry Lalim. Uno. Dos. Tres. Barangay Sweetheart to Rand.
Let's go, Rans. Let's go. si Dart!
Black team. And here comes out the black team. Nate, nice fake. Lot of nice play by Nate.
Richie, thank you.
Hey, mga natutulog sa kansitan.
Ito. Rans.
Challenging by Aldrin.
Ikot nyo bola.
Free throw spot.
Oy!
Harris looking for his teammate. Now to Henry.
Nice one.
Team Richie. Team Richie won. Okay. All right. Yeah. This is the two teams that are undefeated. Gonna play Team Mike and Team Omar.
Which side are you?
Paano ba dyan? Paano ba?
What you have to do is just go wherever he goes.
Just.
We try to avoid the cramps and everything. And the ball goes to the
Guys, come on, go!
holding the ball. T-Book.
Nel. Yun ba? Si JR Pili.
Billy for two.
Nel.
Another shot. You're gonna have to change the defense.
Marlon pulls up. Yes, sir. Good answer by the white team. Teammate J.R. Pili.
Don't miss.
D-Book pulls it up. Kahoon. Casper at the top of the key by Jeremiano. Easy shot by rebound by Omar. Here comes now Omar. Nice time to Pili. Reverse layup is good. Bigyan ka ba ng bagong paa? Arik versus Marlon. What a nice time by 4 points now. Sean Pueto pulls up on using the board. Mike G. Oh, what a nice finish by the white team. D-Book, nice fake. Nice dime. Nell, nice finish by him for his teammate. At the middle of the center, nice reverse by Jay. Jay lays it in. Sweet spot by D-Book. Yes, sir. Allen in and out.
On the way.
Nell to Pili. Yes, sir. Here comes now D-Book. D-Book to Pili. Free throw shot. Kaboom. Nothing but net. Timeout, white team. 3 points led by the black team, 18-15. D-Book pulls up. Nice shot. Kailangan meron to isang yung player. Make sure you guys are monitored. Power play by Marlon. 22. What a nice D-Book sweet spot. Wow.
Huli!
Another shot by Mike J. Still another rebound by Gino. Nice shot.
Hey, rotation! Mainit ang laro, 22.
Book looking for a team against two. Omar. Last 2 minutes. J.R. Pili using the time wisely, setting the play. Good swing by John. Pulls up on the perimeter. What a beautiful shot by J.R. Pili. Good swing by his teammate. Alan tanking at the middle. Yes, sir. 4 points led by the black team.
Take a break! 3 points.
8, 7, 6, 3.
That's cute.
2, 1, and that count.
All right, so Team Omar will advance.
Mr. Nay, you got the X Factor Award. Hey, hey, let's give him a round of applause. There you go, Mr. Nay.
Anyone have camera?
Anyone got the camera? Who's that?
Speech.
Camera, take one picture.
I'm having a lot of fun. You guys are really cool. Thanks for having me out here. The tournament's super fun. Yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Hey, good job.
Cheers.
Well, thank you for everyone being here today. So we're a local charity in the community. We provide low-income families diapers, clothes, food for babies, furniture for babies. We do volunteering, and then we also now provide healing art workshops for children 0 to 5 years old. So it's facilitated by a licensed clinical social worker, and that's all for free. So if you have kids 0 to 5, you're able to attend, and if you have kids that are their clothes are outgrown, you can donate it to us, and then we can probably provide new clothes to you guys, or diapers too if they outgrow it. Thank you.
Lions ready. Jump ball between white and black, and they go. The ball goes to out of bounds. Rasalan to Ian. Turn around. Christian floats shooter start. Number 13. Reverse.
Inom sila kahapon. Kasalanan ni Janet.
2 shots.
Guys, dalaw tayo guys.
Woo!
Ian, oy, what a
Let's go!
but black by Rans. Here comes now Rans to Christian.
Nice.
Christian short. Rebound again by Harris. Rans for 3.
Nice one.
Good shot. Rebound by Jeffrey. Jeffrey to Ian. Ian. Nice shot. Nothing.
Bantay!
Richie.
Nice one.
Wala lang.
Ay!
Go!
Jeffrey. Nice. 2. Harris challenging Harvey. Ayun na! Uno! Dos! Tirang pang Miss Universe.
Let's go, Ian!
Hey, good. The sexy man controlling the ball. The right side, Grant pulls up. Time remaining 19 seconds.
Let's go!
George!
Go!
Ian saying goodbye to the rest of our team piece.
Takbo!
Ay! Nako! Ah!
Hindi pwede maiwan.
Isang team na lang. Nakadalawang at. No good. Another opportunity for Red. Yes, sir.
Busog ka, Malin?
Guys, now let it go!
Yes, sir.
Nice pass, Jose! Nice pass!
No good. Another follow-up shot by Harris is good. 1 point lead by the white team. Jerome slides up. Uy, binitbitan na.
Parang naglaro
Uy, what a beautiful spin move.
Let's go, Sittard!
Black team. Harris looking for his teammate. Grants free on the left side.
Let's go!
Jerome pulls it up. Uy, another beautiful Beautiful defense by
Defense! Defense!
Back-to-back points by Jerome. Sweetheart.
Nice one, Sweetheart!
Dos, tres. They need that. Now the lead counted to 1. Ice tray. Good answer. Kaboom. The ball goes to Rasalan. Rasalan challenging by Sweetheart. Ice tray. Rasalan.
Let's go, Sir!
Nothing back. Step back.
Sweetheart, come on!
And that's Rasalan. Good defense.
Wow, let's go, Sir!
Good defense. 2-on-1 situation. Only one blow.
Nice one! 81-85 na po.
Jerome again. Oy, nice shot by Jerome. Harris challenging by Rasalan. Uy, what a nice. Here comes now Ian Talara. 2-on-1 situation. Jeff, free throw shot, baseline, pulls up. David. Here comes now Rans, operation.
Let's go.
Nice dance by Hey, Leo. Yes, attempt to drain. No good. To Jeff.
Let's go, Sir! Abo?
Harris.
Ready! Go, 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 go!
Here comes.
Nice one! Yeah, you're not going back!
Oy, nice.
Go, 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 go! Diretso! Nice! There you go!
Grabe!
Christian.
Nice!
Wow!
Good Serafine. Carolino.
Nice pass!
Nice!
Here comes the
Ay, nako! Grabe!
Carolino.
Let's go, Drake!
Yes, sir.
Pass!
Uy, parang nag-break na lang.
Nice!
Carolino. Yes, sir.
Jeff!
Slowly but surely.
Drinks!
Jeff pulls up on the middle.
Kaliwa, kaliwa!
Here comes now Jerome.
Woo!
Nice!
Grabe! Kanina pa lang, kanina pa. Semifinals to.
Score is 59-49.
Grabe naman si Jerome! Ay! Good, good! Up! Let's go! 8 po! Naku po! Naku po!
Let's go, Sir!
Naku po! Step back!
Free throw na naman sa
Tabahan! Let's go!
Let's go!
Naku po! Jump shot!
Let's go, Rick!
Malayo na naman.
Let's go, Sir!
Uno. Dos. Sino ba nanalo dito?
Arik! Arik! Woo!
Grabe yun! Tulo-tulo. Coast to coast?
Grabe. Let's go, Arik!
Wala na pakal.
Come on, come on! Let's go!
Go, Arik!
3-3!
Press!
Ala ka, yan! Ala ka! Points lang yan. Dalawang 4-point play.
Let's go, Pacers!
All right, yeah. So from the bottom, we're gonna play the finals, but we're playing 3 in a row, so I don't know. Championship. All right, let's go.
Twice.
Hoy! Let's go, Jeff!
Nice one, Jeff! Nice one, Jeff!
Championship.
Let's go! Okay, Jose! Let's go, Jose! Aba.
Sana, finish na.
Kailangan ko ng nasundan niyan. Painumin ng charantiyan, merong konting asin.
Ay! Nice one! Nice! Nice! Let's go, Jose! Ay! Zap, zap! Iyan! Si Ted! Ano yun? Let's go, Red!
Ayan na! And here comes...
Nakalive ka, Jeng?
Sabihin mo, nakalive ako.
Here comes now Omar to Jay.
Osan!
Easy layup. Omar to Billy.
Uy, grabe! Ay, naku!
High fly! Oy! Hey, B!
Jay and Billy. Nice shot. Nice to Billy.
Nice one! Let's go, Jose!
By Christian. Ice tray for 3.
Stay on it! Back!
JR pull up 3.
Kunin mo yan!
Reverse layup.
Christian ba babalik?
Hindi eh. Nasa ano eh.
Bro, thank you.
Jerry's Guild.
Pull up at the top.
Ay, grabe!
Stolen.
Red, kung iwan na naman!
Good ball. Up by Ice Tray. No good. Tapos nagkaamo yan. JR Billy. Ayan, meron ka ba yan?
Jamal! Hi, Bogey!
20 nuggets apiece.
Nice one, Jose!
So Ice Tray.
Let's go, Anjo!
Omar put the
Baba! Ah!
good clean up.
Let's go, Jeff!
Oy, wag ka tayo injured!
Oy!
By Christian.
Wag ka tayo injured!
El Jerome! El Jerome! Good, it's clean. Another clean up. Ayan, hindi pa rin kanya pa rin. Grabe.
Pasa mo na!
Grabe na, hindi pa rin naubos. Foul.
Ay! Fuck!
Bravo na, Ashton!
Easy to... Jeffrey.
Okay, Jose. Nice one!
Oy! Bago, ano?
Clean up.
Ay!
Red to Ian. Ian. Torres.
Let's go, Jose!
play!
Grabe naman yun. Ay! Nako! Mula ng takbo! Kasi! Ah.
34-31. El Jerome. Yes.
Nice!
Billy. No good. Rebound by Nel. Nel power play. Nice one. A nice drop.
Nice, nice.
Nice one! Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Oh shit! Popper!
Shit, amay!
Wait, break.
Good drop.
Stop the clock.
Oh, easy 2 points by Ray. Oh, nice.
Kailan ko time out?
Uno. Dos. Take that. Ayun, sinagot. Sinagot na. And here comes Puerto. Puerto to John. Nice break by John. Jerome, here Jerome. Nice shot by Jerome.
Sabay, sabay!
Here comes now Billy at the top of the key. Kaho.
Let's go, Ian!
Nice pass. Ian, Corazalan.
Let's go, sir!
Ayan, bilang na. El Jerome.
Let's go!
J.R. Billy.
Ah!
J.R. Billy.
Kasi.
Reverse layup by Taki Moon.
Let's go, Ian!
Yes.
Let's go!
Nice shot by Nell.
Wow.
Good. Kenny to Billy. Billy.
Grabe!
Oh!
Nice one, Ren! Let's go, Ian!
Nice shot. Yes, sir. By DA 61. Time remaining 5 minutes 15 seconds.
Help him!
Jerome.
Let's go!
Played by the white team. Here
Oy!
John slides in the middle. Oy, ang ganda, no? By the white
Let's go,
team.
Ian!
Here comes now Ian to El Jerome, challenging by John.
Nice one!
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by
Go, Say.
Puerto, 53 seconds.
Wala!
10 seconds to shoot. No good. Hey! 6. Hey! 16 seconds left. Foul. This might.
After you really say they're feeling.
Rebound!
Timeout wide. 0 timeout wide. Black, one.
You're gonna get the ball, right? You're gonna screen for that sake, but then they might go back in. So I'm gonna go here. Or you can. Cut inside.
It's gonna be
3 points.
1:1 if there's a
Take the
foul.
shot. So time. But sometimes if you're free, shoot it. Better to just defend.
Be ready. Inbound ball. Here comes the
Let's go! 3 points pa na, Jose!
10 seconds. Oi, 4, 3 seconds.
No, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Walang mali siya.
2 seconds.
3 seconds.
1 second, 1 second.
3 seconds.
No, they don't have time out.
No foul. Hey, right here.
Let's go!
Hindi pa tapos, 2 seconds pa. Hey, you still have...
Inbound.
Look at the ball, look at the ball, look at the ball.
Balibag, no foul, no foul.
Wala naman si
Itis pa dyan. Ayan, ayan. We are the champions.
Yabang champion.
Grabe ka kayo, champion.
Ganun, sayang. Shoot. Good ending, good ending. We lost by 2, but we're missing 1 guy. Dude, sayang yun. Alright, here's the champion, Team Omar.
Sean, champion.
Alright. Congratulations to Team Omar. I want you to give me mine. Where was the other one? Oh, I think we only had 8. Can we give this to him? Because you're the finals MVP.
Good game, good game.
Jerome.